Welcome back to another episode of SmartFoxTV.
Hello SmartFox viewers, welcome to our segment on how to propagate snake plants, also known as how to grow them. So to propagate a snake plant, what you can first do is take a look at an existing plant, and then what you can do is snip off the tip of it. You could snip off so that it still looks pointed and doesn't look too weird, or you could just pick out some pieces gently and carefully, and those can be your pieces that you can use to grow more snake plants in the pot. So what you want to do first is take your scissors and maybe cut off the bottom if it doesn't look that good, and from there you just want to start snipping along the snake plant, kind of like that. So as you can see, I'm just going to take the snake plant and start cutting it into sections piece by piece. Just cut right across nice and clean with your scissors. For the tip, you might want to leave it a little longer. So for mine, I just kind of left it about 2 inches or so. And then you just do the same with your other pieces and just keep cutting. In terms of how long to cut it, you don't want to cut it too short. So maybe about an inch, inch and a half would be good. After you have all your pieces, then you're ready to start planting them in the pot. So just kind of gently wiggle them into the soil. You can line it up, keep a little bit of space in between, and that's all you'll have to do. So just find a place to lodge them in and you're all set. An important thing to remember while you are putting in these new cuttings is you want to make sure you're maintaining the correct side. What I mean by that is that keep in mind how you cut them and make sure the bottom side is still the side that you're putting into the soil. Otherwise, it will not root at all. So you want to make sure you're putting them in on the correct side, and if the soil was not moist before, make sure you moisten the soil with some water after you've put all your cuts into the soil. And in general, you want to make sure that you don't disturb these because they could take about a month or more to root. So just kind of watch them and look for sprouts coming up. If it's browning, it means the plant is not growing. So that's it. Make sure you take good care of it, and we'll check this out in another few weeks. Thanks for joining.
Hello, this is Tracy, and today we have a little trivia on Native American history. Can you name the largest tribe of the American Indians in the United States in 2010? Is it the Menominee, Cherokee, or Navajo? Be back with the answer.
Hey everyone, this is Kim, and thanks for joining me for the current news. Daylight savings is around the corner. For 2021, daylight savings time officially ends on 2 a.m. on Sunday, November 7th. If you didn't know, daylight savings started as an energy policy plan. In the 1700s, Benjamin Franklin said that if the city of Paris could save millions of pounds of candle wax every year if residents woke up early in the morning and went to bed early at night. Of course, it doesn't make sense much today because not only the city of Paris, but even us as Americans have many other outlets to consume energy. So, us going to bed early at night and waking up early in the day doesn't make that much sense today. However, as a consumer thing, daylight savings definitely does help. In America, public school students are eating more at school this year. So normally, school food has been free for lower income kids and sometimes entire school districts in the past. But this year, due to COVID, all students will be receiving free meals at school. So why might your public school kids' lunch be served on a pizza slice box? Well, that's because of labor issues. Labor issues are making that sustenance is hard to find. They say that food processing plants don't always have enough workers to keep the production going. They don't have enough company truck drivers, as well as a few other factors. This is Kim, and thanks for joining me.
Can you name the largest tribe of American Indians in the United States? Is it Chippewa, Menominee, Cherokee, or Navajo? The answer is Cherokee. Cherokee has a population of 819,105. Navajo is in second place with 332,129 population. Thanks for joining for today's trivia.
This is Kim.
This is Tracy.
Hi, this is Sally.
And thanks for watching
SmartFox TV.
Stay Foxy.